Hey, Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, with my comments on Stock Index Futures, June 15th, middle of the month, word of the day. The word of the day is going to be Greece. That's probably the highlight of the week. Thursday, we have a special meeting, and we'll probably have some kind of thought on what's going to happen. Obviously, the Eurozone rejected the counter part of what Greece wanted. So now we're in limbo. That put negativeness on the stock index futures. That's why I'm bringing it to our attention. But I could have said that we're going to have an FOMC meeting this week, Tuesday and Wednesday, and more thoughts on when interest rates will rise. Obviously, interest rates rising has put a little negative thought into the stock index futures. We're working on probably our third or fourth week of a down week for the stock index futures, even though we're not all that far from a 5-year high. Now, have said that, I'll look at the technicals in a minute, but one of the other things that we want to look at this week alone is economics and how it will affect the FOMC and their decision-making process, okay? So that's something to keep on the docket for you. CPI is coming out. Philadelphia Fed is coming out. Housing starts are coming out. So you get the idea. We want to know how strong our economy is. First quarter of the United States economy didn't do all that well, and we're seeing if we will rebound. The thought for interest rates is probably September, but we're not clear. We're looking for more verbiage, if you will, from the FOMC coming out of the meeting on Wednesday midday. So that's your fundamental thoughts. Let's take a look at the technicals and see where the bears take control. We're down about 14 points in the S&P future contract. That put us kind of in a negative. I would have to say that probably 2085 is a trend reversal pivot point, if you will. We're underneath that right now. I think that you should be looking at the September contract. June is going off the board, so a little thumbs up, kind of think about rolling or already have rolled. If you're trading the June, you should be thinking about SEP. If we stay under 2085, that's a negative. That kind of puts the bears in control on the charts, in my opinion. Your next thought would be around 2062. We're very close to that now. And then, of course, if we close underneath that, then we are in a short-term trend bear market. Short-term, very short-term, kind of for swing traders, not long-term traders. And then your next thought would be 2050. Your next thought would be the low end of the consolidation would be 2025. On the way up, if we have a bounce, and we probably will, if we can get over 2085, it would be 2100, then 2112, and then 2125. So those are my numbers. You can always give me a call. I'd be glad to help you. We can get as technical or fundamental as you like in any market you like. So good luck and good trading. Futures or option on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.